Hi, Chef Josh here with Kyle Sushi Catering. Today I'll be showing you how to make a spicy salmon hand roll. Let's get into it. Take my skinned, boneless slice of salmon belly, cut it into mini chunks. We'll use a little bit more. Take the brown side off. All this brown stuff. Don't eat that, it's too fishy. This side I notice there's little bones in there, so I'll trim that off too. Go ahead and cut this. Make nice bite-sized slices. We'll add a little bit of sea salt to that as well. A little bit of ponzu. My favorite, crispy garlic. Just a little bit, not too much. And then we'll add a little bit of spicy mayo to that. And let's see, what else should we add to that? I'd say let's add some lemon. Fresh lemon juice. Okay. And then, okay, now we mix it. You can add whatever you wish to. I like to keep things simple. A little bit of ponzu, salt, lemon juice, and spicy mayo. If you want to make it spicier, you can add some chili oil to it and sriracha, which is what I am about to do. Carefully. Add some chili oil. Gosh, I can smell that stuff from here. Okay. Lightly mix that up. Make sure you don't get that in your eye. Okay, let that rest for a second. Meanwhile, I'll go ahead and grab my chives. Cut the ends off. Show that nice and bright. Not mushy. And we'll just go ahead and okay. Let's slice the chives off. Throw those in there. The salmon. And mix that up. Have a real nice flavor to this salmon. Okay, great. Take about 2 tablespoons of rice. Like it. About almost a golf ball size. Or a ping pong ball size. Set it on one side of the nori. Lay down our cucumber for the crunch. Go ahead and don't be shy. Dunk that in. Finish the rest. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and roll our hand roll. And there you have, folks. Spicy tuna hand roll or sushi cone. Cheers.